Hi everyone, this is lecture 6 where we are going to learn about HTML basic formatting tags. Now I want to show you some basic examples of HTML formatting tags. So you can see these examples. So these all are the examples of formatting tags. Bold text basically used for making our text bold. Then we have a strong tag we use for making our text important. Then we have italic text for making our text in a italic format. Then we have an emphasize text we use for making a sentence emphasized. So like this, we have a lots of formatting tags we are using for making our text look much better in our web page. So by seeing them, you can understand what formatting tags are. Now we will use formatting tags in our code so that you can understand all the things about which formatting tag works and how. Let's start with the bold text. Okay, here I'm going to write paragraph. First, this is me, Komal, and I want to make this Komal bold. So here I'm going to use B tag because we know for making our text bold, we can use B tag and paste inside in between bold tag. Every tag have an opening and closing tag, but some tags are self-closing as well. But bold here we can use opening as well as closing tag. When we save our file and go on our UI, so you can see this is me it comes in a paragraph, but com will become bold. So in this way we can use our bold tag. Now next we have a strong tag. Strong tag works same as a bold tag. The slightly difference is there. Let's see strong tag. So here for strong, I'm going to add strong tag. And inside strong tag, opening or closing, I'm going to paste this strong. Okay, now let's see on a web page how it's looking. Like bold and strong are similar, slightly difference are there in both. So in this way, we can use strong tag for making our text looking important text it is. Italic text, just changing the format of our text. Okay, let's use this also. So it is used by the symbol I. This is, let me add I here only. And inside this, I'm going to write this is italic text. Now going to save my file. And here you can see the difference. The normal text and the italic text. Let me zoom in. Okay, so you can find the difference. Now, next we have, after italic, we have an emphasize text. Emphasize basically make a letter in an emphasize form. For example, let's see a strong tag. So here I want to make my tag emphasize. So here I'm just add em, and inside em I'm going to write tag and save my file. Now you can see the tag become emphasize. Okay, let's see are same as they are in a paragraph format. And strong looks bold because we put in a strong tag, and tag become emphasized because we put inside a emphasize format. So in this way, like whatever we want to do in our web page as per our own choice, we can do that. Now next what we have a mark tag. For example, if I want to make something highlight, here I want to make my a strong highlight, not strong, it's all okay. Strong highlight as well. Now I want to make it highlight. So for that, what can I do? I can add mark as well. Here I can add mark. And inside mark, I am going to paste this whole strong tag as well as my strong content. So it become strong as well as mark. Now save my file and let's see our UI. So you can see it's strong is strong as well as mark. Now next what we have, next formatting tab, we have a small. Small by the name itself, we understand it makes the text smaller. So in our UI, I want to make this text smaller. So for that, what I did now, inside this, we are going to add small opening and closing and put this inside small. So it becomes small now. Let's see the UI and find the difference. Now it becomes small. As we compare with is italic text, it looks little small. So smaller basically used for making our text smaller. Then we have a deleted text. Deleted text, for example, if you want to show something is not a part of our web page now. For example, now I don't want to reflect this Komal in my UI. And I want like whenever someone see my web page, it shows like that. Now it is not a part of that page. So for that, we can use a part of that page or it will be removed. So for that, we can use deleted tag. Here, it's me, Komal. So here I'm going to add delete and copy this bold Komal from here and paste it inside my deleted tag. Now let's see what happened. So you can see Komal is not great. When someone is read, this is me, Komal. So they find that now it's not Komal, it's someone else. Okay. So next we have, after deleted, we have an inserted text. Inserted text basically we use for a add new line. So let's see that as well so that you can understand. Inserted text tag is represented by INS. This is inserted tag. Save it. Now let's see what may happen in our UI. So first of all, inserted tag is used to display a newly added tag in a document. So you can see it is displayed in a browser with a line under the text. So this is our inserted text. If we want to show the some line, so for that we can use inserted tag. Now at last we have a subscript text and superscript text. So these both tags are important because whenever we have to show mathematical formula or chemical elements, so for that we can use subscript and superscript. So how can we use subscript and how can we use superscript for what purpose? For example, if we have a formula H2O, okay, if I save my file, so you know H2O basically comes like H and then below 2, not like this in a same position. So for that, if we want the 2 comes below H, so for that we can use subscript. If I want, if I write H and after H I write here sub, and inside sub I'm going to write 2 and then O, and then I save it. Now let's see how it's looking. You can see H2O. Space is there. We don't want space. So we just have to take backspace here and then save it and then see. Okay, now you can see. Let me zoom in H2O. And if I have to write the mathematical formula like a square plus b square, so for that I can't do like this. A square plus b square. And then if I save it, then it's look like that. So the formula is not looking like that. Basically, 2 come above A and 2 come above B. So for that, we can use superscript. Let me show you that as well. We have A, then we want 2 as a square. So for that, we use superscript and add 2 A square. Then we add here plus Then we have a b square. B is same like that only, but above we need 2. So again, we use superscript and then again we write 2 and save our file. And let's see on UI. So now you can see a square plus b square. Before it's looking like that, but when we use a superscript, then it's look nice. And with this, you can understand what formatting tags are. And basically, formatting tags contribute to the visual presentation and structure of HTML documents, allowing web developer to create well-organized and style content. So now hope you may understand all those things. And with this, we end today's lecture. And now we will meet in the next video.